Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again. Today I'm going to make a piece of mutton leg in a pan. Here I've got the piece from the leg. I think it's the shank part, and the spices I'm gonna be adding are here. I guess some salt, that's crushed coriander, a tablespoon, half tablespoon of garam masala. Okay, so that was a teaspoon, not tablespoon. And this is that's jeera, powdered jeera, and black pepper. So you need about a teaspoon. There's some oil in the pan, about 4 tablespoons roughly, just to cover the base. And then you place the leg in there. Okay, that's 2 blocks of garlic. We'll now put the lid on. Okay, so now I've cooked the sides. What I'm going to do now is put that in there, and that's some water to steam it now. Okay, I've got here half a lemon. I'm gonna add in. You see, they will get infused in the steam. I just put the lid back on. So that's the salad prepared for the shank, for the mutton shank to go in the middle. Okay, let's check the meat. I put an aluminium foil on it as well, just to get more steam inside. Mashallah, mashallah. It's not yet tender yet, so more cooking. Gonna add some more water. Okay, let's try now. I think it's done now. I'm now going to keep it in so they soaks the flavor, the lemon flavor and the other spices flavor. That's all done now. It came out really good. MashaAllah, tabarakallah, as you can see. If I just try some, as you can see, it's nicely cooked. Bismillah. MashaAllah, that's really good, really moist. You know, it's not dried out. Thank you for watching my videos, and please do subscribe if you haven't already done so. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.